Alright, welcome to this section of the tutorial. In the previous section, we edited the home page. So as you can see, this is the page that we edited and it's looking beautiful. Okay, so in this section of the tutorial, I'm going to be editing the about page. Now you might be wondering why I skipped this all products. Now in this all products, you can use your Elementor here. So it's just default. If you click on all products, you're going to see all your products. Okay, so we're going to be editing the about us page, so I'm just going to click on it. So here is the about us page. So as you can see, this is how it's looking. So we're going to be editing this right away. So the first step I'm going to take is that I'm going to edit with Elementor here. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. So when you do that, you'll be directed to this page where you'll be able to edit your page. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start with is our text. I'm going to show you how you're going to edit this text. Okay, so this is the about us. So here you can just type anything you want to type that has to do with informing them that this page where you are right now is the about us page. Okay, so you can change this from about us. Now if it is actually a Jumia website, you can just type about Jumia. So here I'm just going to type in about Nematic stores. Okay, so here I'm gonna give a little detail of my store, maybe the motto of my store or something like that, so I can just type it here. So that's for that. So let me scroll down. So here we are, your favorite online store. So here you can edit this text to whatever you want. For me, this is perfect. Okay, so here you're gonna give a little detail why this store is actually their favorite online store. All right, so here we're going to be editing this. So I'm going to click on this here. So when you do, settings related about this will appear by the left side. So I'm going to click on edit icon box. All right, so let's start editing. So the first thing I'm going to start with is our icon. So I'm going to be changing this, but before I do that, let's edit this title and description. So here I'm going to type in 6 million products. Okay, so all right, so once I've done that, I'm going to edit this text here. So I'm going to paste in anything I want to paste that has to do with 6 million products. So here, as you can see, this is it. So Nematic offers the widest assortment at an unbeatable price. All right, so that's about that. So here is the icon library. So I'm going to click on the icon library. So here I'm going to search for products. So if you can't see products, you can search for gifts. So here I'm going to use this, then I'm going to click on insert. Okay, so as you can see, this the elements here, they complement each other. So as you can see, this is 6 million products and this is a product icon and this is our text. Okay, so I'm going to be editing the next one here. So I'm going to click on edit icon box. All right, so here I'm just going to type in 13 African countries. Okay, so here I can just type in whatever I want. Okay, so I just typed in the Pan-African online commerce. All right, so here I'm going to be changing the icon library. So I'm going to click on icon library. So here I'm going to search for Africa. All right, so as you can see, this is the globe. So I'm going to click on it and click on insert. As you can see, this has changed. So I'm going to be editing this next. So I'm going to click on the edit icon box. Okay, so as you can see, we have this here. So we're going to be editing the title and the description. So here I'm going to paste in my text. All right, so as you can see, we have over 50,000 international and national brands here. So here I'm going to be editing this text. So I'm going to select them, delete, and I'm going to type in my own text. So as you can see, over 50,000 international and national brands, which includes Samsung, Infinix, Injo, Vero, Moda, Jack, and phones. So you can type in whatever you want to type in here. All right, so here I'm going to be changing this icon library. So in the filter, I'm just going to search for user. So I'm going to type in user. So here I'm going to use this user with a check mark. So I'm going to click on insert. Now as you can see, the icons and the text here, they complement each other. So here I'm going to click on edit icon box. So here we have the #1 e-commerce website in Nigeria. All right, so here for the text, I'm going to add my own text. Okay, so I'm going to add my text here. So as you can see, the #1 e-commerce website in Nigeria with over 15 million monthly visitors, and that is cool. So for the icon box, so this is the icon. I'm going to click on the icon library. So here I'm going to search for check mark. Okay, so this is the check mark. So I'm going to click on this and click on insert. So as you can see, we successfully changed this, and this particular section is looking awesome. So here we have get the best design offers on customized designs. But we're going to be editing this, so I'm going to click on the text. Okay, so instead of get the best offers on customized design, all right, so here we have get the best offer on customized shoe products. Okay, so here for this button, I'm going to click on the button. So when I click on the button, here we have a link. So I'm going to be pasting our shoe category link here. So here in my category, I'm going to hover over my shoes. Now as you can see, we have view here. So I'm going to right click and copy link address. So I'm going to head back to my Elementor page and paste the link here, so that when they come to the website and they click on get started, they'll be directed to this link. Okay, so let's change this text. We're going to change this text from get started to shop now. All right, so we have successfully edited this. Okay, let's scroll down. So this is meet our executive or creative team. So we can just change this to meet our executive team. So I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to change this to executive. Okay, so here we're going to be editing these pictures. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first one, let's use this first. So I'm going to click on this picture here. So I'm going to click on choose image. Here I'll head over to upload files, then select files. So I'm going to be using this one, which says T4 CEO. So I'm going to click on open. So here I'm going to click on insert media. So as you can see, our picture has been changed, and this picture is awesome. All right, so I'm going to be changing this name here. So I'm just going to click on this title and description here, so I can change this to, so as you can see, this is Emeka Clinton and it looks nice. So I'm going to be changing this from marketing head to the CEO. So as you can see, this is nice and awesome. All right, so here, once you click on this pencil icon or you click on the image box, here you can edit everything without clicking on any other thing. So we have the picture here, we have the title and description, and we have his position here, which is the CEO. So also here we're going to be editing this picture. So I'm going to click on the picture. So here I have access to edit this picture. So I'm going to click on choose image. All right, so I'm going to click on upload files, then select files. All right, so we're going to be using this. So I'm going to click on T6 rather. So here I'm going to click on open. So here I'm going to click on insert media. All right, so this picture looks nice. So I'm going to be changing the name. So here I can just change this to Glory Smith. Okay, so she is not the creative head, so you can change this to whatever. So here I'm just gonna put head of operations. Okay, so that's for that. So let's edit this picture. So I'm gonna click on it. So here we have choose image. So I'm gonna click on choose image and I head over to upload files, then select files. All right, so we have this, which is the T5. So I'm going to click on it and click on open. Then I'm going to click on insert media. Okay, so here you can change the name from what it is to whatever it is. So here I'm changing this to Trust Garcia. All right, so the position, I'm going to change this to marketing head. Okay, so as you can see, this looks awesome and it's beautiful. All right, so let's scroll down. So here we have this text, so you can change this text from whatever it is, or you can just give a spice about your website here. So just give people a hint of what the website is all about here. So you can edit this by clicking on it. All right, so you can also click on this and you can click on them to edit it here. So you can edit the text here, as you can see, couple t-shirt here. All right, so for this, I'm going to click on this pencil icon. So here, this is an accordion. Here, I'm going to change the text here. So this is it. I'm going to change the text. I can change the text to whatever I want. So you can tell them, you can ask questions and you can answer the questions. So you can just type in what is Jumia or what is Thematic Stores. So here I can just type in Thematic Stores. Thematic Stores is an online store where you can buy your products that you need. So here, get all your product at 60% discount and this and that. So that's for that. So here, this is your payment is safe and secured, which is part of one of the advantages of having a store. Okay, so here you can just type in, ask a question, a regular question that you know people ask. So, and you can answer it here and you can add the question here. So that's for that. So let's scroll down. So here we have an icon and text. So you can just click on this. As you can see, this is worldwide shipping. So you can just tell them Jumia offers a wide delivery range of services or anything like that, and we can deliver to 145 countries all over the world, something like that. So you can just add it here and you can add this, add this, add this. So here you can just click on this here, so you can edit the image, edit the title and edit the text here all in one place. So we are done with the About Us page. So as you can see, this looks beautiful. So I'm going to see you in the next section of the tutorial, and don't forget to click on update.